I'm standing on the Sweden island, home to 8 of the heart of Europe's Scandinavian-themed Sweden palaces. These 6-story, 7 ensuite bedroom palace with an approximation of 22 to 23,000 square feet have amazing dynamic panoramic views of the sea, alongside with its very own spa room, gym room, sauna room and even a snow room. Here we are at the entrance of the Sweden Beach Palaces. We are welcomed in by this amazing tropical rainforest walk through all the way to the palace doors. As we walk into this luxurious Sweden palace, we're welcomed with this spacious, luxurious marble tiling, amazing lobby welcome. On this side over here, we have the amazing open dining area. Just look at that chandelier. Look at this amazing long wide table and the mirroring views of the lounge area and the infinity pool. Look at this cozy, classy, color contrasting, amazing lounge space area. The beautiful chandeliers, the interiors, the seating, and everything else that mirrors with the infinity pool views and the straight sea view. Let's give you guys a little tour of the actual master bedroom. The master bedroom is lit up with direct sunlight shining right into this beautiful, lush room. Facing the panoramic windows and balcony view of the sea, we have the stand-alone marble stone carved bath. The feeling of sitting in this chic dressing table, having the amazing dynamic views of the sea and straight access to the his and hers bathrooms. Speaking of the his and hers bathrooms, let me show you this amazing, spacious walk-in wardrobe with a built-in jacuzzi in the bathroom area. Just across from the master bedroom hallway, we are now in the kids' bedroom. We are now standing in the rooftop lounge of this luxurious Sweden palace. As you can see, it has an amazing leather interior with serene dynamic views of the neighbouring palaces and the Sweden island, along with an amazing view of the full Dubai skyline from the rooftop deck.